everybody. I'm Candy Mahurin.
Ron Rayfield.
We're going to do a commercial while the cat's away. The mice will play. So Justine is busy working hard, probably editing a video, and Ron's down here messing around in the shop. So we're going to do a little commercial. It's still not too late to get some cool Christmas gifts, and I've even got some things on sale. Yeah. On the internet, so on the website.
So these are affordable, last-minute Christmas gift ideas.
So anyway, some of this is on sale. Like these are Christmas textiles. This is a beautiful 34-inch square.
Wow, look at that.
Wow, look at that. I just hit all the cookie cutters.
It's like the chimes, you know?
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, exactly. I meant to do that.
Very pretty.
So anyway, these are 34-inch squares. Both of them are 34 inches. And this is a different pattern. They're both on the website, scoshop.com. They are on sale for $27 each and free shipping. And we've also got some more cool stuff here. I just got a bunch of my Redware in. So these are the bird bottles. These are cool. Justine's got one.
We've got one outside the cabin, yep.
So you can see the little hole in the back. You hang it like this from a porch post or the front of your house or on a tree, and a Carolina wren will make a little nest in here, and you run a stick through here for her to have a perch. And she just leaves a little tiny hole, and she takes care of her own nest all the time. She's a songbird. They're popular throughout most of the United States, so it should be good for a lot of different areas. A little wren. And then we have St. Genevieve Redware mugs, handmade by S.J. Pottery.
I got a couple of these.
Yeah, these are really, really nice. These are on the site.
They hold on to the heat really well, too. So
they do.
In the morning when I drink my coffee, if I get busy, an hour later it's still warm enough to drink, and that's important.
Yeah, exactly. Or even cold. It also keeps your drinks cold, too.
Yeah, it keeps them cold.
Speaking of coffee, what's your new favorite coffee?
My new favorite coffee is some coffee Candy's got here in the shop. It's called We the People by Thrasher Coffee Company, and it is carried here at Sassafras Creek, and it's also on her website as well.
We forgot to bring one with us, but anyway, it's got the flag on the front. It says We the People, so
it's delicious.
Very patriotic. Make a great stocking stuffer for somebody. So what do you got?
You know what I got? I got these tin lanterns here. They're punched and assembled here in America by Irvin's Tinware. And they're just awesome. I love lanterns, especially these Paul Revere type lanterns. And we got a ship's lantern here. You can put your candle in there, and it's got a thing on the back so you can mount it so it doesn't do this when you're on your ship or wherever you be. It can be mounted, on the wall or something. The bigger one.
That's the biggest one I got.
Yeah, this is the big one, and this is nice. I want one personally.
Oh, you do? You don't have one?
I don't have one. And they spin around, so that's really...
I have to talk to Santa Claus about that.
That's really cool. And then we got the medium size one. There's multiple sizes on the internet, so...
These three actually have the taper holder inside.
Yeah.
The smaller little Revere lanterns, you would have to put like a little wax tea light in there or something. Or one of those,
yeah. So this is just a little platform to hold a candle.
Yeah.
For the ones that don't have a little doohickey in there.
Yeah, a little candle holder.
But you can also go modern and just put you one of these in there, and you don't have to worry about cleaning up wax or fire or anything.
Right.
Also, another stocking stuffer we got is a journal of Major George Washington. This is when he was still a redcoat. He wasn't a Continental yet.
Yeah, he was in the French and Indian War.
So it'd be interesting to learn about early George Washington.
This journal made him world famous. They knew all about him they published it even in England. So when he was just a young man, like 27, 28 years old, this made him pretty much a rock star of the 18th century.
Well, I mean, as far as Britain goes, if you, kill a French commander, they're going to like you.
He was accused of assassination. Bet y'all didn't know that.
Next up, we got the Raleigh Tavern Bakery Recipes in Williamsburg, Virginia. This is a nice little soft cover recipe booklet. It's got modern and historic recipes.
Version, yeah.
And then also a book, one of the books that Justine uses on the channel Early American to cook those delicious meals that you guys enjoy watching. And this is hand glasses.
Yeah, and that one does not have the modern versions of the receipts. We should be saying receipts.
And it's jam-packed.
Got a lot, yeah. So this one is very historical, but in paperback form, and it is actually receipts. So don't send us corrections that we're saying it wrong. In the 18th and early 19th century, it was a receipt, not a recipe.
That's right. hey, it makes sense to me.
It does,
if you
because
go
it's
to
a list of items.
Yeah, the quantity and list of them.
Mm-hmm. Just like
Makes
your
sense to
grocery
me.
store receipt.
But hey, we hope you guys like some of these and order them
And have a Merry Christmas.
have a Merry Christmas.
And don't tell Justine we made a video without her.
Yes. You might get jealous. Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye,